Welcome to the demo for Capstone project of CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. So we'll move to the demonstration. This is the PokePoints app that I've built. Uh, let's log out and start from scratch. So this is the login page. And let's log in with Brock. I hope Brock is there. Yeah, we have layer of Brock. So this is the profile page, Brock. You see your username as Brock, the user statistics. These statistics shows how many quizzes this user has won. So Brock has won four fire quizzes, one water quiz, three grass quizzes, and four other types of quizzes. So this is the My Collections section. In this section, you will find the Pokemons that Brock has unlocked up till now. So every time Brock wins a quiz, that specific category of Pokemon will be unlocked. And the unlock Pokemon, when you click on it, you'll find all the description for that Pokemon. So let's test it out. As we can see, Charizard and Moltres are not unlocked yet. So let's unlock them. We'll go to battle for that. We'll click on the fire quiz as I want to unlock the fire Pokemon. Now there are 15 questions, so I'll skip few of the questions to save the time. So now we are on 14th question, two questions to go. Let's demonstrate how I've implemented this questions and answers. What is the signature move of Venusaur? So I know it says yellow, but let's say if I give a wrong answer, then I get a wrong and red overlay on. The last question, grass type Pokemon which evolves into Magnemite. So grass type Pokemon, I know it's not Bulbasaur. It's not, let's say, I think it's, oh, it's also, but let's say I scored 10. Congratulations, you have unlocked Moltres. As you can see, I have unlocked Moltres and I can see the description for it. So, in case if I had to lose the M quiz, and the criteria to pass a quiz is 50%. So let's say I had 7 out of 15 questions correct, I wouldn't have unlocked this Pokemon. So that's how I've built this application. I'll log out and try with some other user. So let's say I want to register a user. Register. Um, you are not logged. So if you are not logged in, this is the first message that you get. Log in. Okay, now we are logged in. This is a fresh user, and let's start exploring all the Pokemons. Now go to battles, and again go to, let's say this time I'll start with water Pokemon, and I'll complete the quiz. So this time I've tried to score less than 7, less than 8 actually, to test out what happens if I fail to pass a quiz. Just better like next time. And you are again teleported to the profile page, and you can see none of the Pokemon were unlocked. So that's how this game